Now, if your PC is constantly crashing, showing you blue screen of death every time, even after reinstalling the Windows several times, the blue screen of death still continues, and you don't know what to do. Let me show you what to do. Now, what is behind this stubbornness is virus, and this virus is bigger than the normal one. This one has affected the hardware component of your PC, meaning the BIOS. And the only solution for this problem is to update the BIOS. So follow this video to the end to update your BIOS to eradicate this stubborn behavior of crashing of your machine. First of all, you go to CMD or command prompt and run it as an administrator. We are going to find the serial number of our PC. So in the command prompt, type this code, WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number. Now, if you didn't get the serial number, don't worry. You're going to add it. Go to system settings and look for system. Now you're going to look for optional features. Go down to optional features and expand the features. Type WMIC and you'll see it here. Add it to your PC. Add it. Make sure if it is downloaded. Then you go to the command prompt once again and type the code. Get the serial number and copy it and go to your browser. If you're using HP device or HP machine, then you type HP support website. Go to the software drive and drivers. Choose your device. I'm using laptop, so click on laptop. Now here you're going to paste the serial number here. Paste it and hit enter. Now here you're going to choose the OS. Don't mind if you're using Windows 11. Choose the Windows 10 and then you follow the click next. Now here are all the drivers that your system uses. Now you look for the BIOS firmware. Is the first one, BIOS firmware. You download it. You download it. Now, before you install the BIOS firmware, you must first of all disable BitLocker from your device. Make sure that you disable it. Otherwise, it's going to affect you badly. So you go to settings to disable the BitLocker. Go to settings. And the security and privacy. And you look for the BitLocker. Make sure you disable the BitLocker. When you are done disabling the BitLocker, then you go to the file where you downloaded the BIOS firmware and double click it. Now follow the screen to install it. Now here is very important. If it is the same machine that you're using, then you choose the option, the first one. You will just go ahead straight to update. But if it is different machine, then you need to use USB flash drive. The USB flash drive must be formatted to FAT32, and then you insert it into the machine, and then you choose the second option. Then you update, you put it on it, and then you use it on the affected machine. Now, this video is going to help you solve the problem of the system crashing. The blue screen of death problem will be resolved by this solution. So do me a favor to subscribe to my channel and also like my video. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.